Hello everyone, my name is Xuefang Hu. My app called Smart Weather. This is a weather social app which not only provides live weather forecast but also provides users an average sentiment of the weather in addition to the raw weather data. By having people rate and share how the weather feels, users will stay connected with people all around the world and keep interested in using this app. In this video, I will briefly demo how the app works and the features I'm really excited about. So let me just install this app and I'll choose allow only while using the app. In the main screen is the recycler view to display the 16 days live weather forecast of my current city by using the GPS sensor. I live in Newark, California, so it shows the weather of the city of Newark. And if I click any one day of the list, it will give me the detailed daily weather information. If I click today and go back, I can go Sunday and Tuesday. Yeah, and if I can also change the city in the settings. If I type in right now it shows the current location. If I type in like Las Vegas, it will show the weather of Las Vegas. And you may notice I designed this auto completion support that can help user typing city name much faster and easier. This feature works for the top 1000 US cities because I create a file of the top US 1000 cities in the app for the auto completion support. But a user can still type in other cities manually. For example, like if I type in London, UK, it will show the weather of London. If I just delete all the typing and leave it empty, it will just go back to the current city. And in the settings, users can also change the temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit. So now the temperature shows in Celsius. And go back to Fahrenheit. Now let's talk about the most exciting feature. There's a simple rating question on the top of the main screen. The underline highlights it like a hyperlink that user will easily click on it and enter the rating activity. The weighted rating result of a particular city are showing just under the city name, and the users can enter or modify their rating of the city they choose. When users submit a rating, the data is stored in Firebase in the nested structure of city and then to the user ID and then the rating data. This storage structure ensures that each user will have at most one rating per city. The rating data includes the info of the rating, the distance between the user and the city center, and the timestamp when the rating happens. The distance and the timestamp will be used to calculate the aggregated weight rating for each city. The Firebase retrieval logic is to fetch the existing weather rating data for a given location, and then use a squash half scoring function to compute the weight decay for each of the weather rating age and the weather rating distance from the location center. The age weight decays to half if it is 1 week old, and the distance weight decays to half if it is 10 kilometers away. The decay curve is further controlled by a power parameter. If a user chooses to submit a rating, then the weighted rating will be updated immediately by using the Firebase event listener. Let me show a So it has the history of 3 people rated this city of Newark. So I'm gonna submit my new rating. And click submit. So I pretend to be a new user and it shows the information here. And I make a rating of 5 stars. And if I change, so it shows change my rating. So then I give like 4, change my rating, You can notice the result is changing too. Yeah. So, and it's really cool. And let me go back and you will see the result. And I noticed that there is subtle difference between the different weather servers. I'm using WeatherBit API, so the accuracy is determined by the server. And the reason why I chose WeatherBit is because I did a lot of research on different weather APIs such as AccuWeather, Yahoo Weather, Open Weather Map, and the WeatherBit. I chose WeatherBit because the free version of AccuWeather only supports the 5-day forecast and 50 calls per day, which is not enough for testing purpose. And Yahoo Weather API is super complicated to work with. And also the free version of Open Weather Map only supports a 5-day forecast and have other limitations. So that is why I chose WeatherBit. And WeatherBit offers a 16-day forecast and allows 500 calls per day, which is suitable and convenient for me to test my app. And in the end, I want to thank you, Dr. Feinberg, and all the 3 TAs for taking time from your busy schedule to help me with the project. This project is a bit difficult. Your expertise and assistance are really appreciated during a time which was stressful for all concerned and helping me get everything done in a timely manner. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.